In this video today I'm going to show you what you can do if you're having problems with the battery on your Nintendo Switch. Now this is a standard Nintendo Switch, it's just been reshelled. This was my DIY Nintendo Switch Lite that I did for a video quite a while ago, and it hasn't been used in a while, and now when I plug it in and try to turn it on, it just keeps coming up with a tiny little battery icon, flashes up Nintendo, then goes back to a battery icon and keeps doing that. So if you watch this, I'm going to plug it in, and then if I was to turn it on here, you will see that I've got the little icon up the top here, and then it will flash up Nintendo, but then it will go to the icon back up here again, and it will just keep doing this, and it doesn't matter if I unplug it or hold it down, it's still going to do the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave it plugged in, but we're going to hold down the power button, because you can see at the moment the backlight's constantly on, and it's going to be hard to charge up when the backlight's constantly on. So let's hold down the power button for about 12 seconds, and then it should shut down completely, but we're going to leave it plugged in so we know it's charging. So now let's hold this down and you'll see that the symbol will go out. Still got it held. There we go. Now just leave it like that, and then you just have to be really patient. So now I'm going to leave this for 3 or 4 hours to get a bit of charge into that battery, because it's completely depleted, and then hopefully later on it will turn on just fine. So let's get back to this later. Okay, so it's been 4 hours later, so now let's see if it's going to turn itself on. So I'm just tapping the power button there. Let's see if it's going to load up. Looking promising. Fantastic. So if this happens to you, don't be scared, just do exactly what you've seen in the video. Fully hold down that power button for a good 10 to 15 seconds until it shuts down, and then, well actually, plug the charger in first, then hold down the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, and then just leave it. If you then unplug the charger and put it back in, it's going to try to boot up again, and you're going to have the same problem, because every time you attach the charger, it tries to turn on. So you have to make sure that's in first, turn it off, and then just leave it. And then all the charge is going into the battery, rather than trying to boot up the switch and turn on the backlight and stuff like that, which is just wasting the charge as it's going in. So hopefully if this happens to you, you will be able to get your switch up and working again. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more Trying to Fix videos. Take care. Bye now.